into the night. Close your eyes and hold on tight. Dreams will take their flight.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.